The loneliness of anxiety and depression is often one of the most debilitating parts of it, but knowing that you're not suffering alone can help enormously. Together All is an online mental health support service that allows people to realise that they're not alone, no matter what they're coping with.
I'm glad I joined Together All. It's a place where I can get rid of the weight on my shoulders, you know? Stuff that keeps me up at night. I feel like I'm sharing with real people going through the same stuff. People support me and I support them. And it makes me feel less useless on my lower days. The resources are a great place to actually work through my emotions and give me the tools to think about things differently.
Together All is for people with anxiety, depression and other common mental health issues. It provides a clinically managed forum where users can connect with other members who may be feeling similar, as well as offering guided courses and online journals and tests so that members can track their progress. It's a formula that's working.
As a social impact business, we balance the need to address a social issue whilst also building a successful business. And I think that is core to our values and who we are. As a service offering, we are a digital peer-to-peer platform that is available 24 hours a day that uses the power of community to help people deal with their anxiety and depression. So we have over 300 organisations that commission us. We work with NHS trusts, we work with local authorities, we work with government agencies such as the MOD, with veterans, we work with a number of universities, big population of universities use us, and then we work with a number of employees, including private organisations, government agencies and charities.
The coronavirus crisis has brought mental health to the fore. The impact of working from home, isolation and financial insecurity has led to more people asking for help.
I think, especially as we're coming out of lockdown and things are still feeling so uncertain for a lot of people, there's still a lot of anxiety around, a lot of really, difficulties around emotional well-being. And I think for people to be able to come onto Together All and to feel part of a community, to feel listened to feel supported and heard, can really help ease that sense of isolation that might be around for a lot of people at the moment.
Can you explain more about your role as a wall guide?
So as a wall guide, we are essentially there to create a safe and comfortable environment for all of our members. And we do that by staying really tuned into the community and what's happening. We need to be very aware of particular levels of distress amongst members if they're really struggling. We then need to have discussions and make decisions about how best to support those members.
The services offered by Together All don't just benefit their members. In an era where the NHS is struggling dealing with the public's mental health issues, the resources provided by Together All are helping to relieve some of the pressure.
I think it's so valuable because it's available immediately. If anybody comes to see me, for example, I can tell them about it and they could access it on their phone or tablet or computer straight away.
Why is it so useful to your organisation? What impact has it had on your organisation?
They like feeling that they're not isolated with their problems because they can share through the peer support network and get suggestions for things that have helped other people, and then they can get the benefit of feeling that they are in themselves being supportive to someone else. So it's had a very positive effect from the feedback that I've had.
It's available 24 hours a day, so at any one point someone can reach out to it. And it's clinically moderated, so they also know it's a very safe place. So if someone needs extra support or there's an emergency, that individual will be looked after. So it provides a safe, supportive place for their members.
I'm not fixed, but I definitely notice a difference in myself. I cope with my issues better, and I've gained a new perspective from listening to other members. I think everyone should have access to this. It can benefit anyone, not just those who are struggling.
Together All is continuing to grow quickly and has expanded to the US and Canada and are due to offer their services in more languages too, meaning that in these difficult times, many more people will hopefully find themselves part of an online community that will help to substantially improve their mental health.